Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm here to show you how to install our propane mounting kits. But first off, what exactly is a propane mounting kit? Well, it's a combination of this black metal plate you see here and these metal parts you see up here. And what it does is it holds your propane regulator and your propane tanks firmly in place as you travel to keep them good and secure. As far as installation goes, it's very simple. You only need a half-inch socket and ratchet or a half-inch wrench, as well as some channel locks for your propane line. It's also very quick and easy to do. Should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. First, we'll start by taking off the cover of the propane tanks, and then for safety, we'll close the propane tank valves. Then we'll disconnect the propane hose from the trailer. Then we'll disconnect the regulator from the propane tanks. After that, we will unscrew the top winged lock nut, and then we will remove the lock bar and the regulator. Once those are gone, we will remove the propane tanks. After that's done, we can unscrew the base plate. We used a half-inch socket to do this, but you might need to use something else. And once all that's done and set aside, we're ready to put on the new mounting kit, which is essentially the same process but in reverse. So we'll set the base plate up and insert the sockets or screws that we used previously, and then we'll tighten them down with the socket. Then we will reinsert the threaded bar, and then we will set our propane tanks in, and then we will put the regulator and the propane locking bar on the threaded bar. Then to secure everything, we will screw in the top winged lock nut, and then we will connect the regulator back up to the propane tanks and connect the propane hose back to the trailer or RV. And once everything's verified, we can put the cover back on. And that's about all there is to it when it comes to installing our propane mounting kits. Again, we have versions for both 20-pound propane tanks and 30-pound propane tanks, so it's pretty easy to find what you need. It shouldn't take you very long, about 15 to 20 minutes. We use half-inch sockets and wrenches for it. You might need to use different ones depending on your setup. But overall, very easy, very quick, and very simple installation. If you like this product and you want to know more about it, click the link in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more of what we do in the future, including more tutorials, how-tos, and other products we offer, hit the like button and slap the subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.